Hi guys, my name is Sir Venia Kalipa or Sir Opoko, the funny mouse teacher. As my students call me, welcome to solving mathematics with E.
Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video is to address the issues that Mr. Suleiman asked in his comment section. He said, "Sir, we are taught you taught us whole numbers, while in school they asked us question in place value of decimal numbers. Due to that question, I am here to address the place value in decimal numbers. Now let's go to the board. You discover that from here we have unit, tens, hundred and thousand. These are whole numbers. Then we have 3, 4, 5. These are decimal numbers. So now how do we resolve such issues? We have the place value of 2 is what? Unit. We already said that in our previous video. Now this is 2 here. Now let's go to the decimal part. We have the place value of 3 is tenth. Now you see that here now we have tenth, hundred and thousand. Then here we have unit, tens, hundred. Now if you should compare between the whole numbers and the decimal, you discover that we have unit in the whole number side, while in the decimal part we don't have unit. And also when we talk about the tens in the whole number part, is different from the decimal. Here we have th, which is what? Tenth. Then this one is what? Tens. So that's only the difference. Now let's now look at the mathematical expression of this. You see that the place value of 3 is tenth. Tenth is now written as 3 times 10 to the power minus 1, which is equal to 0.3. Somebody will ask, so how did you now get 0.3? Let me give you the hint on how it's being gotten. Now we have 3 times 10 to the power minus 1. When we're talking about indices, for you to remove this negative sign, it becomes 3 times 1 all over 10. This is going to give us 3 over 10. So converting 3 over 10 to decimal, you have 10 in 3, it cannot go, you have 0 point, you add 0. In 30, you have 3. And this is how 0.3 is being gotten. So now, when we talk about the place value of 4, is 100. 100 is 10 raised to the power minus 2. So you have 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 2. So this is equally the same format you're going to use to solve it. We have 4 times 1 all over 10. It's 10 raised to the power 2, which is 100. Then we now have 4 over 100. This is going to give us 0.04. Now a kid now said, sir, if that is the case, so why not say, okay, since we have minus 1, let's just put 1 0 and then we'll bring the number that is multiplying it. Then when we have minus 2, you just put 2 0 because it's 2 0. 2 0, you have 1 2 0, then you bring the 4. When you have minus 3, you have 3 zeros, 1 2 3, and then you bring the 5. I said that's actually correct. I like you because you're very smart. That's actually the same way to get it, but in terms of the mathematical expression, this is the format you use to actually achieve the answer. Now let's go down to the question. It said, find the place value of 1 and 5 in the number A and B. So now this is how we are going to get this answer. Let me actually erase the board so that we'll have some space to be able to address those issues. Now, for 7, we have 7102.405. The place value of 1 here is in what? 100. So now this is going to give us 100. So the place value of 1, the place value of 1 is equal to 100. Sometimes you might say 100.000 or you write 100. Either of them is correct. Then we will now say the place value of 5. Place value of 5 is going to give us, remember, we said the number of period you have, this is going to give us 5 times 10 raised to power minus 3, which is going to give us 0.005, and that's the answer. So now when we go down to the second one, this is for A. This is A, and let's go to B. Then B, we have B to be 5204.172. So now if we have something like this, the place value of 5 is now going to give us what? 5 is going to be what? Under 1,000. So we have 5,000. Then, or you write 5,000.000, or you write 5,000. Then when we now talk about the place value of 1, we have 1 is going to give us 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. This is going to give us 0.1. So I believe that with these little examples, you actually have more clarity and also understand it very well, and it's more simpler than what it used to be. In case you have any other difficulties, go to the comment section and write your question, because Sir Okwakourt is always watching your back.
Thanks for watching. Always remember, it's either you learn or you learn, because there is no impossibility in our dictionary with mathematics. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.